Alright, so we're meal prepping kind of again for Christmas and just the whole week. Using this book, she didn't have Crohn's, she had ulcerative colitis, which is kind of similar, and these foods helped her get better, so I'm hoping they're going to agree with me, so we're trying this week. We're currently making these wraps. You should totally buy this book. I think my mom got it on Amazon. There's tons of really good stuff in it. So let me bring you over here and just show you. Here's the batter. It's sitting out for 10 minutes. We had to use all these flours and butter and stuff in it. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. You leave it sit for 10 minutes, then we whisk it again. We're trying to do a bunch of stuff. This is just for wraps, and there is a recipe for what to put in them that we're going to try to do. So yeah, cooking is very tiring, but that's what we're up to now, and I'll just film the rest of what we do today. So for dinner, we had this California-style chicken wrap, which was good. And we also had this loaded baked potato soup, which they use sweet potatoes, and I couldn't even finish it, I'm going to be honest. I actually threw up. I gagged, I'm not going to lie. Sweet potatoes and soup don't work for me, which is disappointing, because we put a lot of work into this. I think if it would have been regular potatoes, I just didn't know. I like regular sweet potatoes, but just not like that. I don't know. I couldn't do it. So that was a fail. The wraps were good, but they both took really intensive labor with cooking, so that was annoying. Alright, so we're going to finish it up. I know this was an awful day, but I promise I'm going to really deliver on a good Christmas Eve vlog tomorrow. I am. The weekend was just very boring. It was kind of just getting last minute Christmassy stuff together. And yeah, that was it. So I read, oh, by the way, I did read a lot of y'all's comments, all of them actually, on the coupon organization tips, and I think I came up with the perfect solution and actually started working on it today. Now, I did get really lazy with it and can't keep working on it. I'm just so tired of working on it, so I'll have to finish it up over the next couple days. But I'm really, really pumped for my plan for the next year. So, many of you made suggestions. Some of you said that the whole insert method is wonderful. Some of you said I should try to keep up with the binder, and a lot of you said you use mini binders. After a lot of thinking, I came up with a really good method. So, I have decided, I'm a little nervous about it, but for me, I'm so sick of that binder busting open all the time. I can't take it anymore. It seems like every binder, I've had multiple brands. I had a K-Sit 4-inch binder. That one busted open all the time. Now I have this Staples like 5 inches of the dual ring and it busts open. It's just, I don't want to deal with it anymore. So, what I have decided to do is, I'm going to switch to the whole insert method, which is, that's hard for me because I've been very opposed to it for a long time. But I've decided to switch to the whole insert method. I told my mom, we talked about it, because she's actually wanting to get it for me for Christmas. It's a cheap thing, but she offered to do it. I just want an accordion folder that I can take in the store with me. One of those 13-pocket accordion file folders. I'm just going to be able to take it to the store with me. So if I do run into a clearance deal, I am going to have that all those whole inserts with me intact. I can go and cut it out real quick. So you might be wondering, how are you going to keep track of what's in those inserts? Alright, someone made a really amazing suggestion about the Coupon Keeper app. And I'm going to go ahead and get that. I have an iTunes or an App Store gift card that I got for Christmas. So I'm going to go ahead and buy that app with the gift cards. I won't pay anything for it. And I think that's really going to be beneficial for me. I can just look it up and see where it is. So I'm really pumped for that. So I can see what coupons I have so I can put matchups together. I have this coupon. So I think that's really going to help. So you might be thinking, what about for tear pads, blinkies, printables, or just plain coupons that I want to use, that I see in the inserts and think are good? I'm going to utilize this little planner that my grandma had. It has handles, so I switched to it. Basically what I did with this front pocket, I'm going to keep my rewards cards and scissors and some printable coupons. In here, I am going to use this. I put tabs and made little dividers. And I cut the baseball card holders down in half and put cardstock. I already did that in my other binder, but I'm just going to do this. I'm going to have this mini binder. And like I said, if I could use a lot of the food coupons, it'd be one thing. But at this point, I think the whole insert method might be best for me. I wind up throwing away so many coupons. I just want to save time. So for this, I'll put all those tear pads, blinkies, printables, and I will cut out coupons that I think I will use. I do want to emphasize like this, you know, just like coupons that I think I'll use, I will cut out and put in here. But I needed a place to keep those tear pads, blinkies, hang tags, all that stuff. I want to have stuff, an area for that. So I think that's where this binder will come in. So I'm planning on taking this thing and the accordion in the store. I think it'll work. I don't think it'll be too hard. I don't like the idea of cutting in the store, but I only should have to do that if I run into an unexpected clearance find. And that way I won't have to go out to the car because I'll have a little accordion. And if I get it for Christmas, I will show you in the vlog what it looks like. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. I think this is the method for me. And especially with next semester going to be so tough, I would rather not spend all my time cutting out coupons and folding them in a big binder that I won't use. I'd rather have more time to be able to go couponing. And I'm still on the fence about keeping up with CVS and stuff like that. But I want to, you know, I love cutting coupons. It's very therapeutic, but at the same time, I don't know, the binder busting open all the time and just things not working out. I think this is the best option for me right now. So that is what I'm going to do. So I think this is a good method for me. I'm going to try it. I'm going to get that coupon keeper out tonight. I had this planner already, so I think it'll really help. I like put in shopping lists and stuff like that. I'll keep that in here as well. There's lots of little pockets. I think I really like that. Oh, and also I put in my Christmas list one of the little coupon accordion files. I want a big one and a little one. The little one, I'll have it divvied up by stores for that week. So like CVS, Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, Walmart, Kroger. I'll put coupons I see for that week in there. I'll cut them out and have them pre-clipped and everything. So that'll work. So I'm thinking we're going to try that next year. I've never been a huge advocate for whole insert method. I love my binder, but I'm so sick of that thing busting open all the time. So yeah, we're making the switch. Alright, we tried meal prepping today, and we did get quite a bit accomplished. One meal did not turn out. I showed you those wraps, and those did turn out pretty good. And I don't think they're going to cause me any issues, but we'll find out. I'm hoping not. They're made with all good ingredients. And it did satisfy. Sorry, I'm tired. It did satisfy my craving, so I think that'll be good. Tomorrow night's Christmas Eve, and the family will be here eating good food that I can't have. So I'm trying to make some alternatives, which is never fun, but I'm going to try, right? We're going to try to make some alternatives tomorrow. And then I'll vlog all that. I promise tomorrow's going to be a really good vlog. No guarantee what time I'll get it up, because we always stay up and open presents and stuff pretty late. So the Vlogmas tomorrow might not be up till Christmas morning, but we'll see. It might get up on Christmas Eve. I'll just have to wait and see what happens. Tomorrow, I got to do some baking for the holidays. Some gluten-free. I don't think it's gluten-free. I don't know what it is. Just trying to be organic or whatever. Baking. I'm going to do that. And I'm going to do the microwave peanut butter fudge, which I know the nutritionist told us that microwaves aren't the best or something. I can't 100% roll out a microwave in my life. I just feel like, I don't know, sometimes it just makes life easier. But I do try to limit it. She isn't 100% for those. She says it takes out some of the nutrients. But I don't know. But I have to do that for the microwave fudge, or else it's just going to be too hard. I don't feel like melting it on the stovetop. So I'm going to do that, microwave fudge. I'm going to do sugar cookies with the Simple Truth frosting. I'll vlog all this tomorrow. I got to figure out the one gift from my grandparents that went crazy and didn't work out. I got to figure that out because I give it to them tomorrow night. I went and got my mom another gift. A little, very little gift. Our Walmart didn't have it, but the one where our churches did. So I ran in there and got that today. So I'm going to wrap that and give it to her. It's a very cheap little thing. I still think she'll really like it. So I'm going to do that. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so tired. Had to be up early today. Oh, tonight I'm going to do Kroger ad preview. Don't think I've forgotten. I've just ran out of time. I've not run out of time. Well, yeah, I've had a hard day cooking and stuff. So I got to do that. We made a sweet potato soup. I thought it'd be better. It wasn't. The sweet potatoes totally ruined it. So I just, I don't, that's a no-no. Not again. Not again. Didn't work out. So that's a no-no. Tomorrow the family will come over and I'm trying to make my alternative foods. That's tomorrow. I can't really think of too much. Going on tomorrow. I'm just gonna kind of relax, try to finish getting this all together. I'm excited. I really am excited. Oh, I'm gonna scan the coupons into the Coupon Keeper app. That's one thing I'll do. Yes, I'm really, really excited to get a new coupon organizing system. What I'm doing right now is just, I love having all the coupons cut out and organized in a binder, but I'm so sick of that thing busting. So I really think this is the method for me now. So yeah, we're making changes, right? Making changes. So yeah, I think that's all I have for tonight. Slow day. I apologize for that. But I think I found the perfect coupon organization method for me. Cutting out what I think I'll use, having that accessible. But coupons, I don't know if I'll use. I will have with me in an accordion file. That way I'm not going to miss out on clearance. I'll still have the inserts accessible and easy to access. So yeah, that's the perfect coupon system. And also that Coupon Keeper app. I'm so pumped about that. Really, really excited about that. Maybe I'll carry it all in a bag or something. I know it was suggested to have a bag. I don't know. I'll have to see what I come up with. So yeah, I'll keep you all updated on that. I really can't believe Vlogmas is almost over, and I feel like I've really slacked, but there's just not been that much going on. I know tomorrow my mom's got to finish Christmas shopping, so yeah, she'll have the car, so I doubt I'll go anywhere. I don't really need to go anywhere. I'm done Christmas shopping. I don't know. I feel bad for her because going out on Christmas Eve with all the people who waited. Have any of you waited? That's a little poll. Do you still have more Christmas shopping to do tomorrow? Let me know in the comments. Or are you done? I'm done. Finally, I'm done. I couldn't even imagine. I saw someone on Facebook say that they hadn't even started yet. And I was like, oh my gosh, how could you have literally not even started Christmas? I will be having a nervous breakdown if I hadn't got anything home for Christmas. So, yeah, let me know that in the comments. And that's all I have for now. And thank you so much for watching.